She came from New Haven, then west with the sun, to the streets of Downey, where the music had begun. Her brother had the piano, the charts and the keys, but she found a hidden heartbeat underneath the melodies. Not made for the spotlight, not chasing a crown, she sat behind the drum kit where the rhythm could be found. Small in the shadows, but steady in her hands, she could make the whole room listen when the downbeat took command. They thought she was a singer, but she knew what she was, a drummer with a voice that rose like mercy does. Low as velvet, clear as rain, soft enough for comfort, deep enough for pain. Richard built the stairway, Karen gave it breath. Every tender harmony had life beneath its dress. The radio grew warmer when her contralto came through, like sunlight through a window on a lonely afternoon. Oh, Karen, voice behind the drums, you sang where aching silence comes, a golden sound, a wounded heart, a perfect note, a world apart. The applause was loud, the room was bright, but fame can hide a failing fight. Oh, Karen, gentle, gifted one, you left too soon, your song goes on. The records started climbing, the crowds began to call, television lights were burning, flowers lined the wall. But every smiling photograph can cover secret war, and the mirror can be crueler than the critic at the door. The world adored the image, the polished family sound, but a soul can still be starving while the praises gather round. She gave the people beauty, but beauty took a toll. The body kept on shrinking while the music filled the soul. They wanted her in evening gowns, standing at the front, part of her was happiest with sticks behind the drums. She loved the snap of snare and tom, the cymbal's silver flame, yet the voice became the legend, and the drummer lost her name. She sang of lonely highways, of longing and goodbye, of hope that starts too early, of love that passes by. And millions heard their sadness in the tremble of her tone, never knowing she was fighting through a sorrow of her own. Oh, Karen, voice behind the drums, you sang where aching silence comes, a golden sound, a wounded heart, a perfect note, a world apart. The applause was loud, the room was bright, but fame can hide a failing fight. Oh, Karen, gentle, gifted one, you left too soon, your song goes on. No silver record, no marquee can heal what no one wants to see. No cheering crowd, no perfect take can mend a heart about to break. A girl may fade in open view, while everybody says we love you. Love must learn to speak in time, before the bells forget to chime. 32 winters, in the morning turned still. The voice that warmed a decade could no longer climb the hill. The world stood shocked and silent at the cost of hidden pain, and a sickness few had spoken of was finally given name. Now every time her records play, the lesson rises clear. Do not praise the song so much you miss the singer's fear. Do not bless the spotlight while the soul beneath it cries. Do not call it beauty when a daughter slowly dies. Oh, caring voice behind the drums, you sang where aching silence comes. A golden sound, a wounded heart, a perfect note, a world apart. The applause was loud, the room was bright, but fame can hide a failing fight. Oh, caring, gentle, gifted one, you left too soon, your song goes on. Behind the drums, behind the fame, behind the softly spoken name, a young girl played, a woman sang, and heaven heard the sorrow ring. The world still turns her records on, the final chord is never gone. The voice was brief, the gift was strong. Karen, your song goes on.